Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Setup Wars, episode 102, where you submit your desk setup to get featured on the channel. If you want to participate, make sure to watch the video link down below. But with that said, let the Setup Wars begin. At number 3, we got Mark and a very nice Overwatch themed setup, or just a orange and black setup, whatever you guys want to call it. He's rocking one of the best ultra-wide gaming monitors out there, the Asus PG348Q, and for the keyboard and mouse, he's using the Corsair K70 and the Razer Mamba. Oh, so that's what that square thing was in the last setup. It's actually the charging dock for the mouse. Obviously, I knew that. I was just kidding earlier. He's got a really dope audio setup. He's using these same speakers as me, but in white. These are the Edifier Luna Eclipse E25s, but he does have a Razer Tiamat headset as well for gaming. There are a few other things on the desk, like a Reaper figurine, a bottle of alcohol or cologne, I don't even know what that is. The desk lamp is from IKEA, and it actually has a Bluetooth LED bulb, which he can control with his phone. That's pretty cool. Also from IKEA, he's got a nice collection of fake plants on the top shelf for the added spiciness. Excellent work with cable management. He's using 2 Signum racks to hold up all the cables, and even the wires behind this PC are nicely wrapped together. No complaints here. And speaking of the PC, it's actually inspired by Overwatch, hence the color scheme, and it's rocking a 6600K and an EVGA GTX 1080 for the win, and a custom loop which is built inside the Thermaltake Core P5 case. That keyboard wire is definitely sticking out like a sore thumb, but regardless, we don't get to see many badass black and orange setups.